birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you! Check out the birthday package promo of Angel's Pizza Olongapo. Tama-tama pang birthday, di ba? Package A, 2 big family-sized pizzas, 2 chicken wings, 2 pasta platter, 1 liter lychee lemonade, 2 of which, okay? And free APC, Angel's Pizza Card, na may mga special perks. And minsan may buy one, take one pa yan, no? Okay? Tapos pag sinumpong, namimigay pa ng brunch ng pizza. And family-sized pepperoni, 2,499 only, no? Package B naman, 2 family-sized pizzas, 2 chicken wings, 1 pasta platter, 2 1-liter lychee lemonade, and APC card pa rin, the Angel's Pizza Card, and 3 medium-sized pepperoni, 1,999 only. For inquiries, call or text them up 0967-164-6450 and 0967-164-4646. All right? Visit their official Facebook page. Look it up para makita niyo yung menu. Okay? And they are open from 8 a.m. until 12 midnight. Pag weekend naman hanggang 1 a.m. All right. So, on with today's famous people celebrating their birthdays today. Among them, si Stanley Pringle. Are you guys familiar with Stanley Pringle? He is a PBA player. Yan. Filipino-American basketball. One of those Phil-Am players. Pero magaling maglaro itong maman to. Masipag. No? Okay? And social worker, Efren Peña, Florida. Ayan. Sumikat yan dati kasi si Efren. Hanggang ngayon naman sikat pa rin siya. Kilala siya, no? You know, for those who didn't follow, for those who didn't saw it, you wanna know how he became popular? Ang ginagawa niya kasi, he's a social worker and he loved kids, di ba? Nagdadala siya ng mga libro na pambata, yung mga storybooks, mga pambata, yung mga special kids interest books, nakalagay sa kariton, di ba? Tapos he lives in a far-flung province, far-flung area, yung mga malalayong lugar na medyo, alam mo yun, hindi ganun kaunlad, di ba? Mga hindi pa simentado lahat ng road, mga ganon. He lives in a far-flung place. Tinutulak niya yung kariton na yun, araw-araw, dinadala niya sa mga bata, para yung mga bata, parang roving library. Di ba? Yung mga bata, dadali niya kung saan maraming bata, magbabasa ng libro, or I don't know, kung may regular siyang pinupuntahan ng mga kids, parang ganon. So, yun. He became popular. And he was caught on camera doing that. May nag-video. Yun. Okay? So, Kuya Efren, Peña, Florida, mabuhay ka. Are you still doing that thing? Ganun pa rin yata, no? March 5, 1981, when he was born, okay? And next up, we have happy birthday also to pop singer Madison Beer. Are you familiar with Madison Beer? Kung meron dito, I'll play her song. Oh, meron. Yeah. Any song, whatever song, we have it. Turo mo, iluluto, ipiplay ko. Eva Mendez turns 52 today. Happy birthday, Eva Mendez, movie actress. Next up, we have happy birthday also to comedian Matt Lucas. He turns 52 today. And TV actress, the beautiful Ricky Lindham. Si Ricky Lindham is actually originally, she is part of the comedy musical duo Garfunkel and Oates. Galing sila niyan, yung partner niya, yung tandem niya. Galing magpatawa, natutuwa ako. She starred in The Big Bang Theory and $1 Million Baby. Yun, okay? And in the Netflix series Wednesday, she was there. I don't know which role, yung plinay niya. Basta sa Netflix series na Wednesday, nandun siya, no? Okay? Napaka-talented na personalidad. Okay, moving on. Si Yeri of the South Korean girl group Red Velvet. Sikat sa Pilipinas yan, yung Red Velvet, no? She turns 27 today, March 5, 1999. And lead guitarist for the Red Hot Chili Peppers. He helped wrote the song Scar Tissue and Give It Away. Napakasikat ng Give It Away, no? Diba? Give it away, give it away, give it away now. For those who don't know, yun. Pinakagustong-gusto ko dyan yung Indian band na ginaya yung tinugtog yan. Give it away now. Give it away now. Magtataka pa yung mga Indiano kasi hindi sila sanay na pinamimigay lang, di ba? Yeah, Red Hot Chili Peppers lead guitarist John Frusciante turns 56 today. Happy birthday to you, John Frusciante. Okay, Red Hot Chili Peppers, among the best of all time. Okay. So that's about it. Just a few of the celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. Ayan, happy birthday sa inyo. Lahat ng nagbe-birthday ng March 5. Birthday celebrants. Oh, batiin ko na rin. Greet lang pala. Sorry. Hindi tayo nang babati. Greet ko na rin yung mga nagbe-birthday ng March 5. Sama na natin yung March 6 bukas kasi walang walang bandera night jams. Ayan, itong mga to, yung mga sumusunod. Happy birthday. Unang-una kay Caro G. Pangilinan, nakapatid natin sa media. Caro G! Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo, ha? Ayan, yung kaibigan natin na nasa K5 News FM in Palawan. Yun, doon na siya naka-duty ngayon. Dati dito sa Olongapo. Pero now, he's with K5 News FM Palawan. Mabuhay ka, Caro G. Idol natin yan eh. Hello, hi, how you doing? Oh, speaking of idol din natin si Dr. Rachel Caseha of the SBMA. Ayan. Madam Rachel, kasi happy birthday to you. Pati na rin si idol natin, Idol Bobby Jackson of J-Run Events. Ayan. Watch out for the next J-Run Events, ha? Ayan. Mamaya babasahin ko sa inyo kung ano yung pinaka-upcoming at saka kung kailan magaganap. Bobby Jackson, happy birthday. Tsaka yung idol pa natin sa SBMA Telecoms, no? Si Engineer Ryan San Jose. Okay. Idol. Bukas naman to. Si Idol Ryan. Kasi wala akong night jams bukas. Tsaka si Kuya Boyd Besana. Ayan. Bukas din siya sa SBMA Telecom. So, yung isa magdadala ng lumpiang Shanghai. Yung isa naman magdadala ng ispategi. Happy birthday sa inyo, ha. Kuya Ryan San Jose, John Boyd Besana. Aha. Okay. Vin Sagit Lanford. Ayan, si Idol Vin. Ayan, happy birthday din sa'yo, ha? Social media influencer to no? Pare ko Happy birthday sa'yo. Okay, next up we have si Ate Leia Batinga Alfaro. Ayan, okay. Happy birthday sa'yo. Isa rin sa mga kaibigan natin. Si Ate Leia Alfaro, the better half of our tropa na magaling na DJ. Na si Kuya Mitchell Alfaro. Idol Mitchell, kamusta na? Tagal na kita hindi nakikita, ha? Alright? Yan, kung may lumpiang Shanghai diyan, pupuntahan kita para makita kita. Pati na rin si Kuya Boy, aka Bernardino Openda na nasa Makati na ngayon, Makati base. Alam mo, when I was a kid, family friend namin yan Friend ng ate ko, friend ng nanay ko, ng mga pinsan ko. I was just a kid back then. Ayan. Ngayon nasa Makati. Sabi niya, lipat nga ako sa Makati. Check natin kung ganun nga, kung yung mga tao doon, kung Makati nga. Kaya lumipat doon. Just kidding. Alright, so there you have it, mga tropa natin. And of course, the celebrities. In my heart, celebrities din to mga kaibigan ko to. Kaya happy birthday sa inyong lahat. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.